Do you enjoy visiting coffee shops?
Or maybe you want to order coffee in English with confidence.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about ordering drinks and snacks at a coffee shop.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about coffee shops and ordering drinks.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use every day.
Let's begin. Hello, what can I get for you today?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure,
Can I also get a chocolate muffin?
of course.
Thank you.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I do.
What do you like about this place?
It's quiet and comfortable.
I agree.
The coffee is excellent, too.
What's your favorite drink?
Probably a cappuccino.
Good choice.
What about you?
I like iced coffee,
That's popular.
especially on hot days.
Have you ever had a funny experience at a coffee shop?
Yes.
What happened?
The barista wrote the wrong name on my cup.
Really?
Yes.
What name did they write?
Michael.
But your name is Paul.
Exactly. What about you?
I once spilled coffee on my notebook.
Oh no.
Yes,
Was it important?
very important.
That's unfortunate.
At least it's funny now.
That's true.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.